Hello and welcome. I am your English guide. I am here to help you speak with confidence today. Do you feel like you study many words but cannot say anything when you open your mouth? Does it feel like a mountain that is too high to climb? Stop. Take a deep breath. By the end of this 20-minute practice, you will feel more confident. You do not need thousands of words. You only need the right ones. Today, we start with your morning. Let us begin. In the morning, the first thing you do is open your eyes. We use simple words to describe this. Listen and repeat after me. I wake up early. I wake up early. I open my eyes. I open my eyes. It is a beautiful morning. It is a beautiful morning. Good. Notice how we use the full words. We do not say it's. We say it is. This helps you hear every sound. Let us continue with the things you do in your bedroom and bathroom. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms. I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I wash my face. The water is cold. The water is cold. You are doing a great job. Do not stop now. Every word you say is a step toward fluency. Let us talk about getting ready. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I put on my clothes. I put on my clothes. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. I am ready for the day. I am ready for the day. Now, let us move to the kitchen. Breakfast is the most important meal. Listen to these patterns. I go to the kitchen. I go to the kitchen. I make a cup of coffee. I make a cup of coffee. The coffee smells good. The coffee smells good. I toast some bread. I toast some bread. I eat my breakfast slowly. I eat my breakfast slowly. I drink some water. I drink some water. Stay with me. You are building a powerful habit right now. I check my phone. I check my phone. I read the news. I read the news. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I grab my bag. I grab my bag. I lock the door. I lock the door. I leave the house. I leave the house. You have finished the first part of our journey. You are learning the 209 word hack, using the most common words to build your life in English. I am an early bird. I am an early bird. Explanation: an early bird is a person Who likes to wake up very early in the morning and starts their work before other people? Welcome back. You are moving forward. Now, imagine you are at the supermarket. There are many signs and many people. Do not be afraid. We will practice the words you need to find food and pay for it. First, you need to enter the store and get what you need. I walk into the store. I walk into the store. I take a shopping cart. I take a shopping cart. I have a shopping list. I have a shopping list. Where is the fruit? Where is the fruit? I see the apples. I see the apples. I want 5 red apples. I want 5 red apples. You are doing a great job. Do not stop now. Your pronunciation is getting better every minute. I need some yellow bananas. I need some yellow bananas. Where are the vegetables? Where are the vegetables? I buy some green lettuce. I buy some green lettuce. I need a bag of onions. I need a bag of onions. The tomatoes look fresh. The tomatoes look fresh. I put them in my cart. I put them in my cart. Let us look for some basic items like bread and milk. Where is the bread? Where is the bread? I want white bread. I want white bread. The milk is in the back. The milk is in the back. I need a carton of eggs. I need a carton of eggs. I want some yellow cheese. I want some yellow cheese. I am looking for the rice. I am looking for the rice. You are halfway through the supermarket. Keep going. You are becoming a master of these words. I need a bottle of water. I need a bottle of water. The juice is on sale. The juice is on sale. It is a good price. It is a good price. I have everything on my list. I have everything on my list. Now, we go to the front to pay. This is a very important part of speaking. I go to the checkout. I go to the checkout. The line is short. The line is short. I wait for my turn. I wait for my turn. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? I have my own bags. I have my own bags. I pay with my card. I pay with my card. I pay with cash. I pay with cash. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. I carry my bags to the car. I carry my bags to the car. I am going to grab a bite. I am going to grab a bite. Explanation. To grab a bite means to get some food quickly or to eat a small meal because you are hungry. You are doing wonderfully. We are now in Chapter 3. Speaking to neighbors or coworkers can be scary, but we will use simple patterns. When you see a neighbor, it is polite to say hello and talk about the weather or the day. I see my neighbor. I see my neighbor. I wave my hand. I wave my hand. Good morning, Mr. Miller. Good morning, Mr. Miller. How is your day? How is your day? It is a sunny day. It is a sunny day. It is very hot today. It is very hot today. You are doing a great job. Do not stop now. Social English is the key to making friends. I like your garden. I like your garden. The flowers are beautiful. The flowers are beautiful. Are you busy today? Are you busy today? I am going to the park. I am going to the park. I am going to work. I am going to work. Have a good time. Have a good time. Let us practice talking about your home or family in a simple way. I live in the blue house. I live in the blue house. My house is small. My house is small. I have a quiet neighbor. I have a quiet neighbor. Do you have a dog? Do you have a dog? Your dog is very cute. Your dog is very cute. What is the dog's name? What is the dog's name? You are speaking clearly and slowly. This is the way to learn. I am new to the neighborhood. I am new to the neighborhood. I like it here. I like it here. The street is quiet. The street is quiet. Is there a cafe nearby? Is there a cafe nearby? The cafe is down the street. The cafe is down the street. Thank you for the help. Thank you for the help. I must go now. I must go now. It was nice to talk to you. It was nice to talk to you. See you later. See you later. Goodbye for now. Goodbye for now. We should touch base soon. We should touch base soon. Explanation. To touch base means to talk to someone briefly to see how they are doing or to get an update on something. We are in the final chapter. You should feel proud. You have practiced many sentences today. Now, let us think about the future. Planning a weekend is a great way to use I am going to and I want to. I am excited for the weekend. I am excited for the weekend. Today is Friday. Today is Friday. Tomorrow is Saturday. Tomorrow is Saturday. What are your plans? What are your plans? I want to relax. I want to relax. I am going to sleep late. I am going to sleep late. You are doing a great job. Do not stop now. This is the final stretch. I am going to the beach. I am going to the beach. The weather will be warm. The weather will be warm. I want to swim in the ocean. I want to swim in the ocean. I am going to have a picnic. I am going to have a picnic. I am going to invite my friends. I am going to invite my friends. We are going to eat outside. We are going to eat outside. Let us practice plans for a quiet weekend at home. I am going to clean my house. I am going to clean my house. I am going to cook a big dinner. I am going to cook a big dinner. I want to watch a movie. I want to watch a movie. The movie is very funny. The movie is very funny. I am going to read a book. I am going to read a book. It is a peaceful weekend. It is a peaceful weekend. You are almost there. Just a few more sentences to finish your 20-minute mastery. I am going to visit my parents. I am going to visit my parents. They live in the city. They live in the city. We are going to have lunch. We are going to have lunch. I am going to take photos. I am going to take photos. I love my family. I love my family. I am happy today. I am happy today. Monday will come soon. Monday will come soon. But now, I am free. I am free. I am ready for the weekend. I am ready for the weekend. I am going to play it by ear. I am going to play it by ear. Explanation. To play it by ear means to not have a strict plan, but to decide what to do as things happen. You have completed the 20-minute practice. You have used the 209 word hack to talk about your morning, your shopping, your neighbors, and your plans. You did not use contractions, and your English sounds clear and strong. Your small step for today: choose one sentence from Chapter 1 about your morning routine. Say it out loud 3 times before you go to sleep tonight. If you enjoyed this calm and professional way of learning, please join our community. Subscribe for more mastery journeys. I am very proud of you.